Man, that looks like. What's up guys, Eric Choi here. Today is going to be a how-to video. How to install a Europe style headlight on my 190E. I already did one side. That is the Europe style full glass headlight. That looks so much better. I'm going to show you guys the old one. Man, that looks like. The US version has glass headlight. And fog light is being plastic. The housing is plastic. And then the corner light is also yellow. And on the Europe one, look at that. It looks so much better. It's not OEM, this is aftermarket. It's from Depo. This is clear. The difference is night and days. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to install the headlight step to step. It's actually very easy because it's an old car. It's not much you have to remove. There's no trim or any clip that you have to remove before getting into the headlight. It's just 3 bolts, 2 plugs, a weather strip, and a exterior trim. But because this is an aftermarket headlight, we do have to do some wire pairing. We don't have to cut and slice, but we just have to pair it with the correct color order. All right, first thing first, pop the hood. Oh, can't do it in one hand. Yep. So we are gonna open up surface mode by pulling this. Pull the hood up. Man, this is hard to do it by one hand. All right. Mercedes, surface mode, open more than 90 degrees. All right, now we're gonna take care of the headlight. That's something from the previous owner that we checked the oil, and then once you check it, you're gonna clean the dipstick, right? This is the tools that he gave me. I'm gonna toss it there. All right, so to remove the headlight, we have to remove 3 bolts. This, 2 on the top, 8mm, and there's 1 behind this trim. And to get to this trim, you have to remove this bolt. It's also an 8mm. And remove this trim by pulling this way and pull it out like that. It's like a hook. Then we have to remove this weather strip. To remove this weather strip, you just have to, there's a tab here. All that is just tuck in. So there's a tab here you have to remove just by pulling it right there. So this is the tab. Just pull. Hope it doesn't crack because this is a very, very old rubber. 30 plus years old. Usually they would just crack and tear, but this one is good. All right, after removing the weather strip, gonna expose the outer 8mm bolt at the bottom. So we're gonna loosen that and loosen the 2 on the top, and you can remove the headlight. And there are 2 plugs behind it. 1 for the headlight, 1 for the turn signal light. We removed the 2 bolts on top, loosen the one at the bottom. You don't have to take it out, that one, you just have to loosen it. All right, now with better look of the plugs, you just have to wiggle. Got it. There you go. Now we can take out the entire headlight unit. Just like that. Oh, I'm not sure what this is, but it's clipped onto the headlight housing. So I can remove this, move it to somewhere else. Oh, this is probably for the radiator fan, maybe, this wire. Yeah, it's like for the radiator fan. Just have to move this, transfer this thing. That's easy, right? Now we just have to transfer some parts from the OEM headlight to the new one. Here you can see it's missing this. It's for the top bolt to the headlight. So we're gonna transfer this over here, this over there. And we flip it around. We have this bottom one that is sliced. Right, for this one, you just use a flathead to kind of push it. Once it's loosened enough, slide it and put it back. Same thing with this one. Push it. Put it back. Then for this thing at the bottom, just remove this nut, slide it out, slide it to the new one, and we use this. All right, now we have to transfer the headlight bulb and the fog light bolt into the new headlight housing. This thing is so hard to open, I think I'm gonna use a flathead to kind of pry it up. Yes. Properly. Got it. Got it. We turn it. I believe you just pull it. Yes. Let me unplug this. We have this unplugged. And I found out that the OEM headlight is not using a H4 like the aftermarket headlights comes with. This is the H4 pattern of the headlight bulb. So you have to buy a new one. And about this is LED 6000K. It will fit right in as an H pattern. So we cannot reuse this, but we can use the fog light. So have to pull this. And that's the fog light. Press this now, one by one. The other one. Here's the fog light. And to remove this, you just have to pull this wire. And there you go. There goes your fog light. And we're gonna transfer it over here. That's it. Now connect this cable together, and this is for the fog light. Next, we're gonna put the headlight in. New headlight bulb is in. It should sit flush. And just repeat everything. Secure it. H pattern. All right. Last thing from the OEM headlight, we need this knob from the corner turn signal light because we have to use this to secure the new one. Twist that off. Oh, don't forget to reuse the turn signal light, or you can get a new one, but I'm just gonna reuse everything from OEM. So turn signal bulb, twist, so regular twist and turn. Now we have the new headlight ready. There's one tricky part about it. So this, I bought this with the wire harness pre-attached, and this is a 4-pin harness. And on the old headlight plug, oh, there you go. So, okay, so this one. This is the one that with 4-pin. We have to open it up to identify which goes to which location. And make sure you take a photo. And one thing we have to do is we have to remove that pin, clamp it to make it tighter. So once we insert those in, it will be a tighter fit in it. We don't have to do anything with the fog light. It will just plug back in. But this, we're gonna open it up, identify the color, clamp it a little bit tighter, and put it all back in. To remove the cover on this plug, you just have to put a flathead on the side to pry it open, and it pops out. And man, you know your car is old when you see parts made from Germany, West Germany. We're gonna remove the cover, and we have to take a photo of the wiring order here. Once you remove them, what you have to do is clamp it. This is just to demonstrate you because I have to use both hands. You clamp it just a little bit tighter together so the plug will be able to fit in. That is perfect. Clamp it in a little bit, and then when you plug in the new wiring harness from the new headlight, it won't be loose. It will be just snug in to it. So you have to do it on all four. And I'll tell you guys about the wiring order, the color orders. I'm gonna type it on the screen. You guys will see it right here. This is the wiring order. Plug in this plug into the OEM plug here first before sliding this headlight back into the place. This is just easier, you have more space to it. 3, 2, 1. Bam, we have this back in, but we still have to secure those. So my trick here is try to fasten the top first. Try to just dry fit it, kind of secure it, so lift the headlight up. So with the lifting, you will be able to access the bottom bolt much easier. You shouldn't be able to mess it up because there's not that much adjustment. That looks so much better. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. 95% of you guys are still non-subscriber. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. That's the easiest way for you to support what I'm doing. And I can't wait to share what I'm gonna do next with this car. We out.